In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website private. This is a quick and very easy step to secure your website, making sure that only those you want to have access can view it. Let's dive right in. First, you need to log into your Wix account. Once you've done that, head over to your website editor. This is the hub where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize your site to your liking. When you're in the editor, direct your attention to the top left corner. Here you'll find the Settings option, which serves as the gateway to various customization tools and privacy settings. Click on Settings and you'll see various options unfold. What we're interested in for today's tutorial is the Site Password option. This is where you manage who can access your website. You'll see two main choices, everyone or password holders. To make your website private, you'll want to select password holders. Once you've selected password holders, you will need to create a password. This will be the gatekeeper for your site, allowing only those with this password to gain access. Think of a strong password, ideally something that's not easily guessed. It might be wise to use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. After you've entered your password, make sure to remember it or jot it down in a secure place. You'll then click Save to apply these changes. With that all set, there's just one more step. You'll need to click Publish, which is located at the top right corner of your screen. This action ensures all of the changes you've made are live and effective. Once you hit Publish, Wix processes your updates, making your website securely private. After the publishing process is complete, simply click Done. And there you have it. You've successfully made your Wix website private. By turning on the password protection feature, you've added an essential layer of security, ensuring that your content is only viewed by those whom you trust. This is particularly useful for those who wish to share sensitive content or simply want to have more control over who views their work online. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this quick and easy guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials.